Hello, and welcome to this FortiWeb's video on known bots. In this video, we'll focus on FortiWeb's known bots feature. It helps distinguish between different types of automated traffic. It identifies malicious bots, such as DDoS bots, spammers, and content scrapers. It also recognizes legitimate bots, like search engine crawlers. By filtering harmful bots while allowing beneficial ones, FortiWeb protects websites, mobile applications, and APIs without disrupting essential traffic. Setting it up is super simple. Just toggle the switch next to each bot category to enable or disable detection for good or bad bots. And if you need to customize it, you can easily edit the bot list to fit your specific needs. To sum it up, FortiWeb's known bots feature lets you block harmful bots while allowing trusted ones, protecting your apps and APIs without interrupting valuable traffic like search engine crawlers. Thank you for watching.